Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share with you some of the testing and tweaking and things I've been doing with the rescue drone, and obviously having a ton of fun with the kids. So I've added some things to the PIDs and tuned out some things in iNav, and then added some supports to the arm. So just a quick clip, check it out.
And put back on the ground.
Well, obviously that was a lot of fun. So yeah, after doing some modifications, I've gotten a lot better. This is a view of what I see as the pilot, and then I can also rescue some baby dolls, and I don't know, we're just having a lot of fun with this thing. But the intent, the intent and use of this is to rescue my Freestyle drone. So here's a little pass clip from my first test. You can see the arm kind of wallering around, and so yeah, just having a lot of fun with this thing. And I have a build video coming up. Leave a comment in the comments if you're interested in seeing a build video on this thing. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.